Hello, everyone. This is Microsoft Zara, speaking on behalf of Will Duckworth, lead strategist at Narrowgate Trading. It's Tuesday, November 4th, 2025, and after selling the Aussie dollar Japanese yen yesterday, the pair has just broken through multiple day statistical support levels, not to mention the lower band of the 5-day temporal support resistance channel. So obviously, we will be looking and waiting to see 2-hour through 6-hour price action turn north, as confirmed by the 12 and 16-hour price flow channels, at which point it will make sense to look for opportunities to enter long positions. But even so, seeing as how the asset was also just rejected at the upper limits of both its 12 and 4-day price range envelopes 2 days ago, we are prepared to see the overall general day-to-day price flow from a longer-term perspective ultimately, and eventually heading south over the next couple of weeks. The Aussie dollar US dollar is also sitting on multiple day statistical support and has spent the past 2 days riding the 5-day temporal support band south, meaning I will not be surprised to see short-term day-to-day price action turn north any day this week. On the other hand, the euro-dollar British pound is once again battling multiple levels of resistance and ought to be heading south should it ultimately lose the battle. Like the previous yen pair, the euro-dollar Japanese yen is also testing support. The euro-dollar US dollar has been riding its support level south for the past 4 or 5 days and is betraying no signs of changing its mind anytime soon. Given how stubbornly bearish it's looking, even though it's already violating its projected support levels, it might take the British pound Japanese yen another couple of days to turn north again, exactly as was the case back in October. And the cable US dollar is showing no inclination whatsoever to cease its bearish descent. After spending 2 days riding its 5-day temporal resistance level north, the loonie US dollar has now reached multiple day statistical resistance as well, so I will be watching to see how it interacts with this benchmark. As for the US dollar Swiss franc, it has been defying upper resistance for the last 4 days and appears to be fully committed to continuing doing so without pause. And finally, as for the US dollar Japanese yen, it appears to be attempting to pull day-to-day price action south and has a long way to go before it will even come close to reaching the next major support levels. So for the time being, it would appear that the most logical course of action would be to enter short positions following pullbacks in the 2 to 6 hour price flows. But of course, none of this constitutes advice to buy or sell any financial assets. Duckworth is not a licensed financial advisor and is recording this information merely for his own purposes and convenience as he pursues his ultimate goal of establishing a nationwide franchise prof firm dedicated to making prosperity available to anyone. In the meantime, he wishes everyone the best of luck, and until next time, if indeed there actually is a next time, stay awesome. But bye for now.